Imagine for a second that you're holding a piece of glass that doesn't just feel like a phone, but feels like an extension of your own mind. Imagine a device so powerful it makes the computer you used 5 years ago look like a calculator. For over a decade, we've seen the iPhone evolve, a better camera here, a faster chip there. But what's coming in September 2026 isn't just an evolution. It is a total reset of the industry. We are standing on the precipice of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and from every leak coming out of the supply chain in Taiwan and the top secret labs in Cupertino, one thing is clear. Apple is about to kill the smartphone as we know it and replace it with something far more ambitious. If you are thinking about upgrading your phone right now, or even if you just bought the latest model, you need to stop. You need to listen. Because the leap between the current generation and the iPhone 18 Pro Max is the largest gap we have seen in the history of mobile technology. We aren't just talking about a Pro phone anymore. We are talking about the first true Ultra experience in a handheld form factor. Today, we are going deep. We are going to peel back the layers of the secret 2nm A20 Pro chip, the invisible Face ID sensors that finally give us a truly all-screen display, and the radical variable aperture camera system that is set to put professional DSLR cameras out of business for good. Stick with me until the very end, because the pricing strategy and the folded design secrets we're about to uncover will change the way you look at Apple forever. The story of the iPhone 18 Pro Max starts where every great revolution begins, at the atomic level. For years, the industry has been stuck in a battle of nanometers. We moved from 5 to 4 to 3. Each step brought us more power, but we were hitting a wall. Thermal throttling, battery drain, and diminishing returns were starting to plague even the best silicon. But 2026 is the year Apple breaks the wall. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will be the world's first consumer device powered by a 2nm chipset. The A20 Pro. Why should you care about a number like 2 nanometers? Think of it this way. If a 3nm chip is a high-speed highway, a 2nm chip is a teleportation gate. We are talking about fitting billions more transistors into a space smaller than a fingernail. The efficiency gains are projected to be a massive 30%. That means 30% more power while using significantly less battery. It means the iPhone 18 Pro Max could theoretically run at peak performance for hours without ever getting warm to the touch. For gamers, for video editors, and for the AI future we are moving into, this is the holy grail of processing. But power is nothing without a canvas to display it on. Let's talk about the screen because this is where the most visible and most beautiful change is happening. For years, we've lived with the notch, then the pill, and then the dynamic island. While the dynamic island was a clever software fix for a hardware limitation, Apple's ultimate goal has always been a slab of glass. No cutouts, no interruptions, just pure, unadulterated pixels. With the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the dream is finally becoming a reality. The leaks suggest that Apple has perfected under-display Face ID by using a new type of transparent OLED material and laser microdrilling technology. Apple has found a way to hide the infrared projectors and sensors beneath the active pixels of the screen. When you're watching a movie or playing a game, the sensors are invisible. The screen